In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could set up a mobile hotspot on your iPhone. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But a mobile hotspot is super convenient because it does let other devices connect to your iPhone using your mobile data. Here's how you could set that up. Begin by opening up that settings app and then scroll down on this page until you see the option for personal hotspot. Go ahead and select it just like so. If you don't see it right away, tap on mobile service and you'll find it up at the very top. From here, go ahead and set up a Wi-Fi password, something simple enough for you to enter in quickly, but secure enough so that other people can't actually guess it. I also recommend turning on maximize compatibility down at the very bottom, which makes it a lot easier for more devices to connect. If you're wondering how to change the name of your hotspot though, you're going to need to change your iPhone's name. To do that, back out of this section and scroll down to General, open that up, and then go into About, and then Names up at the very top. Just type in whatever you would like. Once you are ready though, just go ahead and toggle that hotspot on just by ticking it on just like so. And keep this screen open while connecting and then your other device. And then on that other device, just search for your iPhone's hotspot name, enter in that password that you set, and you're connected. Just like that though, your iPhone is now going to be a mobile hotspot. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.